Hey guys, it's me, and guess what? It's still snowing. You can't see the snow, but it's a lot of snow. It's just really small ones, but it's coming down like crazy. Like, remember when I walked over there and I saw my last video? I walked over there, the footprints are gone. Footprints. Do you see that? Yeah. Just a little bit. Maybe if I open that window just a little bit. Just a little bit, guys. Ew! It's a dead fly. But yeah, it's really snowy and stuff. I could just... Alright. Why is my window so hard to close? Okay. Yeah. Anyway, I just have my stuff right here. I'm really bored. Don't know what to do. So, I guess see you guys later. That really had failed, and I didn't turn it off yet. Okay, bye.